Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you two simple but elegant home decor DIYs using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. I'm starting off with these Dollar Tree octagon mirrors. I used the strong adhesive to glue 3 of the mirrors together. Here, I'm adding a Dollar Tree wood cutout between my 2 mirrors, and I'll explain why I did this a little later on in the video. I made 2 of these pieces, but quickly decided that I wanted my design to be a bit bigger, so I ended up gluing 5 of the mirrors together. I also made 2 additional pieces, and I'm adding some of these Dollar Tree wood cubes to make these pieces a bit stronger. Next, I glued all 3 pieces together. I then added my final 2 mirrors to each side. I hot glued Dollar Tree wire lights inside of my design, but I decided not to replace the cover just to make it easier for me to replace the batteries. The batteries will stay in place. I added the wood cuts between my mirrors because I had hoped to be able to place the lights behind my 2 front mirrors. However, the bulbs were too big, so I ended up having to leave the bulbs on the outside perimeter of the 2 front mirrors. Now that my lights are in place, I'm removing the excess glue. Next, I added these Dollar Tree acrylic mirrored stickers. To complete the project, I added Dollar Tree floral foam and eucalyptus stems. For project number 2, I'm using 3 Dollar Tree wooden wreath bases. Next, I added Dollar Tree metal ribbon. Next, I painted my design with Rust-Oleum gold spray paint that I already had at home. Next, I added a 12-inch unbeveled mirror that I already had at home. I purchased my mirrors in bulk from Amazon, but you can usually find a unbeveled 12-inch mirror at your local craft store. I really love how both projects turned out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.